This week's digital life hack tip is all about Google. We all use it, but you may not be using all the features about Google. First on our list is Google's advanced search features. So what you can do is start tying in your searches with something else. If you're trying to figure out what happened to that kid from A Christmas Story, how to tie a tie, or learn about the royal family's annual traditions, those answers are just a click away. Google can also make your life easier by looking at the weather, keeping track of your reservations, do math. It also has a built-in timer that a lot of people don't realize. There's a translator. You can run 2 searches at any time. There's a metronome and all kinds of fun stuff, up to and including Pac-Man. That's right, over at google.com. For a listing of all of these, I bet you're going to learn at least a thing or 2 or 3. Look no further than the official homepage of the Kim Komando Show. That's komando.com. And once you're there, hit that Show Picks button right on the homepage.